Welcome to the Debt to Financial Freedom podcast.
I've got a question around mortgage offset accounts. Is that something that exists in the US? Have you heard of them before?
So I explain more because the country differences here. So mortgage offset.
So I did a whole episode on this. So like, let's just say you've got a principal place of residence, your PPR. You've got a mortgage. So let's hypothetically, it's a $500,000 loan that you've got. If you've got an offset account linked to that $500,000 loan, it's basically just a bank account. But hypothetically, you had a $100,000 saved. Rather than putting that into a high interest earning account where the earnings are taxable, you have to pay tax on the interest you've earned, right? You could actually offset your home loan or your mortgage. So if you had 500,000 balance and you had 100,000 sitting in your offset bank account, you'll only be charged interest on 400,000. So each month you're actually still making your regular repayment on an amortization schedule of 500,000. So what happens is the interest reduces, but your repayments remain the same. So more of your repayments go towards the principal, and you actually end up paying off the mortgage faster while you still have access to your own funds. And that's where an offset account can be more valuable. Do you guys have anything like that?
Not really. At least not anywhere that I've heard of. Maybe like down somewhere deep in like some super fancy thing, but I haven't heard of that. I've like come across anything. People will take and do margin loans, or margin loans is probably not the best example of that. Like asset-backed loans, that's probably the closest, in which you take and put up one of your assets, whether it be land or property, and use that as an asset. Sometimes people will put stock up there and use that to kind of back the loan. But that's probably the closest. We don't encourage that, especially stock-backed ones, because that stock can go down in value. So it's not really a cash thing here. They're not. It's hard to like say that it's a 1-to-1 translation across countries there.